Hi guys, this is Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today we're going to be turning pool noodles into a headboard. For materials, you will need fabric of your choice, sharp fabric shears, a plastic spackle knife, heavy-duty spray adhesive, a box cutter, staple gun, and particle board. Let's get started. Start by grabbing each noodle and marking their center point. Once all your noodles are marked, using a box cutter or a pair of scissors, you can begin cutting. Start cutting the long way on one side using your center mark as the guide. Once you've cut all the way down to the other end, flip the noodle over and do the same to the other side. Now that both sides are cut, you can easily and gently pull apart your noodles, and you should have two halves of a whole. Once all of your noodles are cut, you can start adhering the noodles to the particle board. Using an adhesive spray, we recommend spraying the board and then spraying the flat side of the noodle so that way it gives it a good grip. We repeated that step for each of the pool noodles until the whole entire particle board was covered. Make sure you're pushing down after each application so that way all of the noodles are firmly attached. Once you're finished adhering all of your noodles, you might have some overhang on the sides depending on the size of your headboard. If you do like we did, you can take your box cutter or sharp scissors and cut off the excess using the edge of the particle board as a guide. Now it's time to roll out your fabric. When rolling out your fabric and measuring for your fabric, make sure that it's covering all of your pool noodles with enough overhang. Each end we recommend around 24 inches. On each side, give yourself enough overhang so that way you are able to wrap it around the back, because we will be doing that in a few steps. Once you have your fabric measured out, we recommend turning it over and marking where you will be cutting if you have to cut any. We used a fabric marker and a yardstick, but you can use anything such as a measuring tape or a ruler or just a flat edge, just to make sure that you are marking a straight line across. Now that your fabric's cut to size, we can start the not so fun part. I'm not gonna lie, this does take a lot of patience, but the end result is worth it. As long as you persevere, you will get through it. Using the same spray adhesive, spray the entire noodle, making sure to get a good coating. Once your fabric is laid flat and smooth, push it into the crease between the noodles. Use your plastic spackle knife to push into the crease even more to help the fabric stick. Repeat this step for the rest of the headboard. We do recommend making things a little easier and grabbing an extra set of hands. That definitely helped with us. I can't say it enough, but take your time with this step. We recommend standing it up and turning it over. Starting at the top of the headboard, pull the extra fabric over to the back side. Beginning at the middle, pull the extra fabric until there's a little bit of tension. You want the fabric to be wrapped tight. Secure this spot to the particle board using a staple gun. Repeat this step all the way across the top, leaving an inch from the corners. We added some extra staples in any areas we felt were loose. We just wanted to make sure it was secured all over the back. You can repeat this step to the bottom of the headboard. Now grab the extra fabric at the corner, fold it in half, and pull it down. Then grab the extra fabric from the front and pull it backwards towards the back of the headboard. Using your staple gun, you can secure this fold to the back of the board. You can repeat this step for all four corners. For the extra fabric on all edges, grab and pull them back, making sure that you pull them tight and staple in place. I will say the back of the headboard is not going to be so pretty, but that's okay. No one's going to see it because it will be facing the wall and not towards your room. You did it! Your headboard is complete. You can push it between your bed and the wall like we did, or you can optionally add wall mounting brackets to the back. And there you have it, a brand new headboard for a fraction of the cost. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you soon.